got that done. Got a couple really cool projects done yesterday. We did the I redid the wild game feeder out there. Built a brand new one. A couple more tiers. I'm hoping that it's going to be more effective to keep the bigger animals out and keep it higher so the littler animals will eat off of it more than the bigger animals, but whatever eats it, eats it. Alright, blizzard update. So, super windy. Winds are probably 35 to 50. Snowing hard, but not extreme at the moment. The wind makes it feel like it's really snowing hard. But we got our beef stew cooking. We are warm. It is 20 outside, 72 inside, so it's a little warm. I'm gonna have to turn the heater down a little bit. I need to have it about 68 at the thermometer to be a nice sleeping night, so we'll have to turn that down a little bit. But blizzard update, we're in the grips of it. Tiny house is performing as expected. I mean, I've been in this tiny house at 30 below. I've been in this tiny house with 50, 60 mile an hour winds. I've been through storms, and this thing is never lets me down. It stays the same, so pretty excited about that. I'll give you another update here before I go to bed, which is about 6 hours, so it's only like 4:30 right now, so we'll see what happens. Alright, it's Saturday night at the tiny house, and we are all the way into this blizzard right now. So we've probably got 6 inches on the ground today. We're supposed to get 8 to 10 overnight, and then maybe 4 to 6 tomorrow. So it is possible that I end up having to spend a couple of days here if I get too snowed in, but we'll see. We'll make that call. I got plenty of food, I got plenty of supplies, I got plenty of heat. Everything is good that way. It'll just be a few extra days at the tiny house, which wouldn't disappoint me in any way whatsoever. But we got a few projects done today during the blizzard. We used our workshop for the first time. We built a new feeder, a wild game feeder to replace the one the bear destroyed last year. So I got that all built today. That'll be part of this video. And I also made some beef stew. I usually throw a steak on the grill. I mean, that's kind of my go-to thing, is a steak on the grill every night. But I decided to get some stew meat because I didn't want to climb out in the blizzard to throw meat on the grill, climb in and out, track in and out 50 times. So I bought some stew meat, and I had a whole bunch of stuff up in the cabinet, and I threw it all together, made a hodgepodge. Ended up with a pretty tasty stew. It's very filling. Enjoyed it a lot. That'll probably be part of this video as well. So this whole video is just kind of turning into all these things that I've done around the blizzard. But so we used the workshop for the first time, built a new feeder, made a beef stew, stayed dry, stayed warm, stayed cozy, and just, enjoyed being at the tiny house for the blizzard. And I gotta say, it's been a fun couple of days. Been kind of landlocked, haven't been running around a lot, just been hanging out here. A couple trips into town, but that was just a short little drive. So looking forward to the morning. But this is the right before bedtime blizzard update video, and look forward to tomorrow morning, and we'll give you another update on where we're at with the snow and how much longer we expect it to go and anything else we plan on doing. So hope you enjoy this video, and thanks for watching. Alright, it is Sunday afternoon at the tiny house, and I don't know how well that sees through the window, but the sun is out. The blizzard is over. If you could see my picnic table, which I'm currently looking at, there was none on the table before the blizzard started. There's easily 12 on there right now. It was pretty windy, so my guess is we probably got around 16 inches of snow overnight. My truck has pretty good clearance, and when I'm driving out, you're getting some rubbing, but I can get around on it anytime. Right now the plow just went through, so it might be a little tricky getting out of here tonight, but we'll get out nonetheless. But was out in the woods earlier, took the snowshoes out, and just kind of enjoyed some of the pictures, some of the picturesque views from the snowstorm. I'm going to bring the camera out with me here this afternoon. I'm going back out on the trails. Going to try to take the four-wheeler down it and get it all opened up so that the trails are more walkable. And I'll try to throw some pictures up here. Maybe we'll just put them right in here, and then you can get a chance to look at some of the scenes. But wow, it's pretty amazing out there. It looks really good. Love, love, love the way the woods looks after a snowstorm. It's nothing better. So I'm gonna get out in the woods again this afternoon. So just the last little update about the blizzard. It was super windy, lots of snow. The tiny house was super comfortable. Absolutely no issues spending the night in here. Still eating the stew that I made yesterday. It's absolutely delicious. Just heated some up for get some quick energy in me so I get back outside. But I'm gonna go out for the rest of the night and be in the woods the rest of the night. I'll try to bring the camera and get a few pictures. But yeah, the tiny house, what a place to be during the snowstorm. I mean, super comfortable. The heat's just right. The one thing that I would like to put on my radar at some point is getting away from the propane heater and getting a wood stove in here. I know it's dirty and I know it's kind of a pain, and the heat is hard to control, where this heat is thermostat and it's super comfortable and I can keep it just right. The wood stove just kind of gives you that next level off the grid feeling. I mean, I realize that I have plenty of propane up here. If something ever happened, I have enough propane up here to live the year up here. But the point isn't that, it's just taking that one next step. I am going to put a wood stove in the workshop, probably do that next weekend. We'll do a video on it too, because clearly having that workshop is a pretty cool deal. I'm going to build the last window boxes for the tiny house in the workshop, and then I'm going to build a solar station out there so I can get my solar back up and running. That's something that I really want to do right now, and I'm going to make that a focus in the next couple of weekends. So it's been a fun few days up here. Northern retreat, under the snow, digging out, all of it. What a fun adventure. So looking forward to getting this video posted, and I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching.